Welcome to the Idaho Child Nutrition Program's CNP Training Portal tutorial highlighting the new format for the Events and Courses Catalog listings. This new format became available on March 27, 2018. To access the new format, log into the CNP Training Portal. The CNP Training Portal is located on the Idaho Child Nutrition Program's website in the Resource Center located here. This view shows the CNP Training Portal homepage for someone who has logged into their portal account. Once you are at your portal account homepage, select the Events and Courses tile. This brings up the new format for the Courses and Events catalog. The new format was designed to provide more options for quickly finding the course or resource you are looking for and allows users to access the portal and register for classes on mobile devices. Starting at the top of the page, there is a search box. This can be used to type in a word to find all listings containing that word in the title or description. Just below the search box are three resource category buttons: Course, Event, and Digital Resource, and a Filters button. Below that is a list view of all courses, events, and digital resources currently available in the training portal. When the Course button is selected, the list view is sorted to show only the courses currently available in the training portal. When the Events button is selected, the list view is sorted to show only the events currently available in the training portal. Currently, there are no events listed in the portal. When the Digital Resource button is selected, the list view is sorted to show only the digital resources currently available in the training portal. Digital Resources is a new feature where resources that support courses are listed and can be accessed by portal users. An example would be a listing for the PowerPoint presentation for the 2018 Civil Rights Training. When this digital resource is selected, the actual PowerPoint presentation can be downloaded for use by selecting the Go To button. When the Filters button is selected, 5 more filter options are displayed. The Categories option displays buttons from 3 major program areas in child nutrition programs: NSLP, the National School Lunch Program; CACFP, the Child and Adult Care Food Program; and SFSP, the Summer Food Service Program. In addition, there is an Other button for general courses that apply to all program areas. When one of these buttons is selected, only the courses, events, and digital resources available for that program area are displayed. The Categories option for filtering courses is most similar to the older version of the catalog. By selecting categories and then a program area, such as SFSP, the Summer Food Service Program, the list of courses, both online and in person, events, and digital resources specific to the Summer Food Service Program will be displayed. You can then scroll down the list to find the course you want to register to attend. When an in-person course is selected from the list view, a course details window appears that provides a description of the course, the number of hours for the course, the date of the course, and how many spots are still available in the course. When the magnifying glass icon is selected in the Course Details window, a Section Details window appears that provides the time frame for the course. When the Register button is selected in the Section Details window, a Register window appears that lists where the course will be held. This is also where you can confirm the registration or cancel the registration. If the Confirm button is selected for the registration, a Confirm Registration window appears and a confirmation email will be sent to you. If the Cancel button is selected, the registration window closes. If the More Info button is selected in the Section Details window, in most cases it will take you back to the catalog list view of all courses, events, and digital resources. However, in some cases it will take you to additional information connected to the course. Going back to the list view of courses, if an online course is selected, a Course Details window appears that provides a description of the course, how many hours the course will be, the date range the course will be available online, and how many spots are still available. The number of spots is usually set quite high to allow as many child nutrition program participants as possible to take the course. When the magnifying glass icon is selected in the Course Details window, a Section Details window appears that lists a date range. For online courses, the date range listed is the date the course was added to the catalog to the date the course will be removed from the catalog. The time frame listing can be ignored as online trainings are available 24 hours a day. When the Register button is selected in the Section Details window, a Register window appears that asks for confirmation of the registration. At this point, you can confirm the registration or cancel the registration. If the Confirm button is selected for the registration, a Confirm Registration window appears and a confirmation email will be sent to you. Please note, the confirmation email will list the date the course was added to the catalog and can be disregarded. The online course is still available for you to take. 30 minutes after registering, a course tile will appear on your portal homepage. Select the course tile to take the online course. If the Cancel button is selected, the registration window closes. Some additional tips for navigating the new catalog. When using the various filter buttons, once a filter button is selected, that filter stays in place until the filter button is unselected or cleared. For example, the Summer Food Service Program filter button has been selected during this tutorial. To filter for just the National School Lunch Program courses and resources, the Summer Food Service Program button must be unselected or cleared, and then the National School Lunch Program button must be selected. If the Summer Food Service button remains selected and the National School Lunch Program button is also selected, the filtered list will contain all of the courses and resources for both the Summer Food Service Program and the National School Lunch Program. Another tip: if a search is conducted and none of the category buttons are selected, the search will look through all categories to find matches. Finally, this tutorial focused on the filter option for categories. There are 4 other filters that can be used to search for a course or resource. There is a program filter, a region filter, a role filter, and a format filter. Use the Clear Filters button to clear any filters you may have selected. To clear the filter for the course, event, and digital resource options, be sure to unselect the options originally chosen. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in navigating the new format for the Events and Courses catalog in the CNP training portal. If you have any questions, please contact the Idaho Child Nutrition Programs at 208-332-6820. This presentation has been provided by the Idaho State Department of Education Child Nutrition Programs. This institution is an equal opportunity provider. Thank you for watching.